How to install the Bybit app on your Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to install the Bybit app on your Android device, whether you are using a mobile device or your tablet, here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and open Google Play Store. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Bybit and search. From the search results, look for this Bybit application from Bybit and then tap on Install. Wait until the application installs on your Android device. It'll take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just make sure you have a stable internet and you'll be able to download it in a flick of a time. Once it is done, tap on Open. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Bybit application on your Android device. You can go ahead and sign in with your existing Bybit account or create a new account if you are new to Bybit. Now there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.